One of the biggest crowd pullers at AI on the Lot this year wasn't a new AI model, it was a movie. Community Day wrapped Friday with the North American theatrical premiere of The PATCHWRIGHT, the 22-minute cyberpunk short from creator Gossip Goblin, also known as Zach London. The film has already surpassed 10 million views on YouTube and has become one of the standout AI-assisted productions of the year. But the experience went beyond the screen. Attendees could interact with Varn, the film's main character, through an AI-powered hologram installation that brought the world of the PATCHWRIGHT into real life. The showcase also featured new films and projects from creators and studios, including Holy Water, Kling, Animatix, Pickford AI, and Higgsfield. If there was one theme running through Community Day, it was that AI filmmaking is no longer an experiment. It's becoming its own creative ecosystem.